Stop, foul horde!
Hey, they're supposed to stop. This is a situation I've never encountered. Let's see. Riots, alleys, rabid biker dogs, yeah.
I don't think we're gonna find this one in the book, Lance. Like Charlie would say, this calls for improvisation.
My chopper! Get them!
That was kind of fun, huh, Lance?
Fun! Fun! I was scared stiff. I almost tossed my chow.
Oh, no! Oh, no!
Whoa!
Oh!
Now what?
I guess, toast. Charlie!
Trouble itch?
Oh, boy, Charlie. That was great.
Couldn't just let him get you. Okay, time to jump. Climb aboard, Itch.
But we'll never make it! I knew it was too far. I knew I would never make it. I can't even peruse the handbook because I need both paws to save myself. My whole life is flashing before my eyes. Mommy! I didn't mean to steal Spot's rawhide treat!
Sorry, Lance. No time for dramatics.
I hate that jolly bucket.
Good work, Charles.
Gosh,
He just provided me with very able assistance, Annabelle. I could not have done it without him.
Annabelle, it was Charlie that got us out of trouble, and he also...
Itchy, please, I have some business to attend to. Lance, I have a very important new assignment for you. I'm sending you to Antarctica.
Antarctica. Sounds exotic. Annabelle, may I say...
No time for chatter now, Lance. You're needed right now. Now, get going. Chop, chop.
Well, I'm going to miss you two palookas, but duty calls! Did I ever tell you about the time I saved my climbing party on Mount McKinley? There I was, no pitons, no oxygen, just my short-haired coat and an old chew toy.
I thought I'd never get rid of him.
What do you mean? I thought you were gonna give him my job.
Give Lance your job? No. Oh, no. He was driving heaven crazy. Always quoting his handbook, always telling his stories, always polishing his halo. Oh, sorry. Have to run. Oh.
Charlie, you know you've always been my real hero. Always was, always will be. You and me, Charlie.